I'm back to show you how to achieve this beautiful stitch, which is usually called the rice stitch. Some call it the seedling stitch, but in all ways it's a beautiful and pretty stitch. It's perfect for a blanket, for any project of your choice, and it's based on a front post stitch and back post stitch crochet pattern. So if you want to see how to achieve this, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot, and I will chain a random number, any number of your choice, depending on the project you are making. So I'm gonna start the row with normal double crochet. So the first row will be just a double crochet. So on the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna make one double crochet. In every chain, I'm gonna make a double crochet. And the last double crochet of this row. Now I'm gonna chain 2, and I'm gonna turn my work. So what I'm gonna do is one front post stitch double crochet and one back post stitch double crochet. Yeah, that's right. So the front post stitch double crochet, yarn over, from the front take the first stitch out and work a double crochet. Not too tight when you do your double crochet. Yarn over onto the next stitch, this one from the back, push the stitch back and work a double crochet. We repeat. Yarn over, from the front push the stitch forward, the next stitch, and work a double crochet. Yarn over, back post stitch, push back and work a double crochet. We repeat one by one throughout this row. Front post, back post, double crochet, front, back, front, back, and front, and one double crochet in the last chain, that chain 2. Oops, that chain 2, yeah. And this is the first row, how it looks. Now I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. So what I'm gonna do now is alternate the opposite side or opposite way. So here, as you can see, this is the back, what was front post stitch, now it looks back post stitch here, and this is front post stitch. So on top of the back I'm gonna do a front post stitch, and on top of the front post stitch I'm gonna do a back post stitch. So the opposite end of what looks the opposite of what I'm seeing. So I chain 2, yarn over, take that back post stitch and bring it to the front, oops, and work a double crochet. Yarn over, from behind push that front post stitch and work a double crochet. yarn over the back, bring it to the front, yarn over the front, bring it to the back. And that's how it's gonna be throughout the work. Whatever is back will be brought to the front, and whatever is in front will be brought to the back, will be taken to the back. That's all you need to do throughout the work with whichever project you are doing, just to get the seedling stitch or rice stitch. And at the end, as always, 1 double crochet in the last chain 2 stitches. So this is how it looks so far, and this is how it looks after few rows of rice stitch. It's like alternating row by row, and it looks pretty and fun to make as well. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, take care, bye bye.